Welcome to the demo of InsiderQ, a cutting-edge structured digital database software designed to ensure seamless compliance with SEBI regulations. InsiderQ isn't just another tool, it's a solution built with precision, helping companies efficiently manage and safeguard their unpublished price-sensitive information. We're starting on the login page, where we'll log in with the compliance officer's credentials. This dashboard is your control center, where real-time data insights empower you to make informed decisions. Upon logging in, the compliance officer dashboard provides a quick summary of all the vital information, such as the total number of UPSIs recorded, ensuring that sensitive information is always tracked. Trading requests submitted for pre-clearance by designated persons, giving full visibility over corporate trading activities. The designated persons count, ensuring the right people are accounted for and their activities are monitored. The connected persons count, allowing the compliance officer to see individuals linked directly or indirectly to the organization. These metrics aren't just numbers, they're safeguards that help you comply with SEBI's regulations while minimizing the risk of insider trading violations. Below the metrics, you'll find a data chart that visually breaks down your UPSIs in blue and trading requests in red. This chart allows compliance teams to instantly track trends and act proactively because in compliance, timely decisions are critical. The ability to switch between monthly and annual views provides flexibility for both day-to-day oversight and long-term analysis. Key benefits for compliance teams. One of the standout features of InsiderQ is the trading window closure calendar, also known as the closing window. Insider trading violations can lead to severe penalties, but with InsiderQ's automated trading window closure management, you can easily track when the window is closed and why. This ensures that no unauthorized trades slip through the cracks. Next, let's dive into the UPSI information list. This is where InsiderQ truly shines as a compliance tool. Every single piece of sensitive information exchanged is meticulously recorded with details such as the type of UPSI, sender-receiver, mode of communication, and timestamps. This structured, transparent documentation not only keeps your company compliant but also provides a clear audit trail for regulators when needed. As you'll see in the pending trading request section, InsiderQ tracks all trading requests awaiting compliance officer approval. It's a one-stop solution for ensuring that trading within your organization adheres to the highest ethical and legal standards. Intelligent user management security. InsiderQ offers sophisticated user management capabilities with 4 user types: compliance officer, designated person, PCS, and connected person. After installation, compliance officers can create user profiles and track activities in real time. Each user's profile is fortified with multiple layers of security to ensure that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized personnel. Designated persons have their own login credentials, allowing for transparency in tracking their access to UPSI. The inclusion of practicing company secretary login ensures that regulatory audits are straightforward and secure. PCS can directly log into InsiderQ to verify compliance without needing cumbersome manual processes. Connected persons such as family members or other indirect stakeholders are also captured in the system, ensuring no potential leaks in sensitive information. Moving forward, the trading window management feature makes it easy for the compliance team to automate trading window closures, ensuring that they are not only timely but also thoroughly communicated to relevant stakeholders. InsiderQ sends out automatic email notifications, reducing the room for human error and ensuring full regulatory compliance. Automating SEBI compliance, boosting efficiency. A major win for any compliance team is the SMTP configuration under the Configuration tab. Once configured, InsiderQ automatically sends notifications every time UPSI is recorded, traded, or disclosed, ensuring no critical information falls through the cracks. Listed companies are required to submit a weekly BenPos, and InsiderQ automates this process, allowing easy uploads and generating actionable insights through BenPos reports. Compliance officers no longer need to sift through raw data. InsiderQ processes it for you, identifying buy-sell transactions and comparing weekly data to highlight any irregularities. The software also boasts a Reports tab that generates critical reports, from deviation reports which help identify contra trades or pre-clearance violations to holding statements, giving compliance teams a detailed view of individual holdings at any given time. These reports are a game changer, giving you a high level of visibility over the entire trading landscape within your organization. Simplified audit process with full transparency. We also recognize the importance of transparency, especially in audits. With InsiderQ's audit logs, every activity is tracked, providing a clear and indisputable record of actions taken by all users. This ensures that your company can provide a full, detailed audit trail whenever needed. Finally, the Configuration tab offers full flexibility. Compliance officers can set user roles, customize UPSI types, sharing modes, purposes, and relationships specific to your company. It's tailor-made for the dynamic needs of modern organizations. And last but not least, InsiderQ also provides draft forms aligned with SEBI PIT regulations. These can be downloaded by designated persons and submitted through the Disclosure tab. Thanks for joining us today. We hope InsiderQ helps you stay compliant with SEBI's regulations and supports your company's growth to its full potential.